2003 Ford F250 Super Duty Crew Cab Short Bed with only 99,000 miles on it. This is an FX4 package with a set of Highway 373 gears, 4x4 with a snug top tonneau cover, Weston running boards, sliding rear window. All the paint's original. Got a clean Carfax. It's a 2-owner truck. And it's just as pristine as it could be. It's got the fog lamps. It's got a billet style grille. It's a non-smoker. Let's take a look under the hood. Just as clean as it could be. Just purrs. There's the air conditioning right now. It's on. It's condensing really well. It's got a puddle underneath the truck from it. Look at the sweat bead on this thing. Really clean, really nice truck. It was a locally owned car here. Big thing about this truck here, I'll show you. We got a non-catalyst truck, meaning you'll never need to put a particle eliminator in place. Allows you to run a nice, clean, flow-through exhaust system. We got weld wheels. We got the Rancho suspension. That's part of the FX4 package. We got backup sensors. Let's take a look inside, as it's just as clean as it could be. It's a non-smoking truck. The truck doesn't smoke and the passengers didn't smoke either. Sliding rear window. It's got the center rest. There's no wear on this truck whatsoever. We got a pair of power seats, which is pretty tough to find on these XLTs. And you know what? This cloth looks like day one. It's just as close to perfect as you could ever expect to find. In the 03s, they didn't make a whole lot of 7.3s. Most people ran to that 6-liter, and they just did a couple of these that they had extra motors laying out in the shop. And that's kind of what we got. It's one of the overruns, which is the best truck you can find. We got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. No lights on the dash. It's running, it's purring. No check engine codes. None of that stuff. 4-wheel drive, 4-low. There's your parking sensors. You got adjustable pedals. 6-disc changer. We got the heat on right now, but it's kind of getting warm in here. I'm going to turn that down. Passenger airbags. I put my seatbelt on here and we'll run this thing down the road and you can hear it go. Everything's stock on this truck. There's no aftermarket anything. The truck was owned by an older gentleman, and we met him here at our facility. He had a trailer, wasn't using it anymore, and he had no use for the truck anymore. It was just sitting in his driveway. What a find. Brakes are smooth. This has gone through a rigorous smog and safety. It's been checked out by Jonathan at Cactus Car Care here in town. He does all of our safety work and smogging of gas and diesel trucks now. I'll let you take a look at the gauge pack as we take off here. Might be a little hard to see, but here goes. On the brakes hard, everything's smooth, just like you'd expect. Another nice thing about this truck is this truck has a spray-in liner, and it has a snug top camper shell in place, or I'm sorry, a tonneau lid. Let's take a look at it here. Locking handle there on the rear. All I got to do now is find the keys. I got a set here, I think, in my pocket. Yeah. Let's see, where are those extra keys? Well, believe it or not, I think I might have lost those extra keys. I put them on the tonneau lid when I took off for a test drive, so I'm going to probably have to take a walk back up the street. Big deal here is the bed's never been drilled. It's had a tonneau lid on it all its life. The bed's in excellent shape. There's no boulders or stones or chunks or anything that's ever damaged this thing. It's just as clean as can be. Take a look at the pictures we got on the site. Thanks for coming to our website. 925-449-4747. That's protrucksplus.com. We're located in Livermore at 4546 Contractor's Place. Sun's coming out. You can really see this paint. It's just lustering up and just about as beautiful as it could possibly be. I challenge you to find a nicer truck on the West Coast. These don't come up very often. Thanks again. Appreciate your time. You guys have a great day.